Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for returning to watch a video, or maybe you're here for the first time. I want to say welcome to my 3 new subscribers that I woke up to this morning, and that was really great. I want to do a 1,300 subscriber giveaway, and I'm slowly getting there. And welcome back to my returning friends, and one of them is Lupe Verachek, and I got some mail from her yesterday, and I let her know through Facebook this morning that I had received her mail. So thank you, Lupe, for always thinking of me. I appreciate that. So let's see. Lupe's 4th of July card already. My first one. Look at the little bear with his flag. He's so cute. On this pretty blue paper, too. And she has this sparkly red ribbon here with some silver metallic gems on here. Those are cool. I've never seen those before. So let's see what Lupe says in here. She sent some goodies, as she always does. Hi, Diana. Happy 4th of July to you and your family. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Hugs, Lupe Verachek. Happy 4th to you too, Lupe. And look I can see she said something with glitter in here, because it is sparkling all over the place there. So let's see. Oh, Lupe sent one of her little things that she makes with the lace and the ribbon. Isn't that cute? Look. So she's got red lace and a fabric star and a pretty red, white, and blue ribbon with a flag sticker in the middle. That is so cute. And I have quite a collection of these that Lupe makes for all of the holidays, and I think it is so cool. Okay, so I see where the sparkles are coming from. We have 2 palm leaves here, very shiny and sparkly, and we have 2 flamingos. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, Lupe, very much. I will put those in my summer sticker collection. They might need their own little bag, or they're gonna have sparkles everywhere. I love it though. And we have some little, strawberry shortcake. Oh, I remember her. Yep, thank you. And here's some more strawberry shortcake. And that must be a little lemon girl there. Cute. And some beautiful butterflies. And you can never have too many butterflies. Thank you so much, Lupe, for my beautiful card and stickers and your beautiful little lace number here. I love it. So this is going to be a pretty short video because I have one little teeny part of my Shein order that came. I'm waiting for a big order, and then I have something that I saw at Dollar General to show you. So I'll be right back. Okay, I found a little bag to put the stickers in. So I found this new paper pad at Dollar General this morning, and there was no price on it anywhere. So the girl scanned it, and it came up at $3.50. But she actually gave it to me for $1.50 because she's a sweetheart, and she does stuff for me like that sometimes. So there were a couple more of these, the same exact pattern. So I didn't take those. I wanted to see this one first. So it has some bacon and some sunny side up eggs. And this is not thick paper at all, but this would make good background paper, or I know it would be good for something. Oh, look at this. We got some tomatoes, some mushrooms, some onions. That's kind of odd. I haven't looked at this yet. I just cut the sticker off it. Oh, we got some cute little doggies and hearts. Some bananas. I don't have any banana paper. We have some cute little kawaii looking people. Bugs. We have some stars. And some strawberries. Some unicorns and clouds. And suns. Rainbows. That's real cute. Oh, we have some 80s cassettes, TVs, and record players. We got some hamburgers and ice creams, pretzels, French fries, pizza. That's making me hungry. I just got done cooking on the grill, too. And we have some cactuses and plants, flowers. Flamingos. Flamingos and palms. I thought those were pickles at first. Oh, my goodness. What do we got here? Oh, some little robot guys. That's kind of retro. Oh, I love the 90s. Yeah. I know who would like this paper. And we have some sushi. Not a fan. Not a fan of the sushi. Oh, that's pretty. Mermaid scales. Oh, I don't even know what these are, but they're cute. Monsters? Yeah, I think they're like little monsters. Very cute. Very cute. And that's the last one. So there's 20 different papers in here. So I still think I think the Dollar Tree paper deal is a little better for $1.25 for 24 sheets. So now I have 2 dies to show you that I ordered from Shein. You got this little lighthouse die here. And it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like an A2 size, but it'd fit on an A2 size with a background, so I guess it's okay. Well, I'll have to cut it out and let you know. Yeah, so there's that. And I can link these in the description box. And I got these Jellyfish because I liked the size of these. These I did know the size. So they are, let me show you, 4 inches by about 2. Yeah. This one is a little smaller, about 3.5 by 2. Yeah. So that is my video for today, guys. I hope I didn't go too long. I'll see you next time with something new. I do have a big Shein order coming. And I only ordered it because I needed stuff. I have not been online shopping at all except for this, because if you spent $29, you got free shipping, which was during the tariffs. It really has taken a long time to get here. I hope the next package that I get will be the whole rest of the order, and it just won't trickle in like this, two things at a time. So, thanks. I'll see you next time.